Welcome to the E4 Experience by Exertis Almo, the premier one-day event for education, training, and hands-on access to the latest AV technology. Recognized with the SCN 2024 Platinum Stellar Service Award, the E4 Experience offers integrators, resellers, consultants, and end users an immersive day of learning and networking. Elevate your career with award-winning education and earn AVIXA CTS credits by attending classes and seminars.
By learning and having resources that help me to understand, I can apply it easier. I can envision what is actually happening by being hands-on.
One thing about researching products, when you're online, it doesn't really tell you exactly how the product works, but then when you network and come to the event like E4, then you can talk to other individuals who have actually used the product, and even when you talk to the reps, you can ask the questions that you can't really ask the computer when you're doing a search.
Connect with industry experts, manufacturers, and peers. The E4 Experience is designed to spark powerful ideas and collaborations.
All of the manufacturers are going to be here, and our rep put a face to name. You know, it's all over emails and phone calls, so you getting to see them and see that real person, it makes a difference.
Join us at one of our upcoming locations, Dallas, New York, Santa Clara, or Chicago. Don't miss the opportunity to explore, engage, educate, and experience the future of AV with Exertis Almo's E4 Experience.
E4 events really are that perfect blend of not too big, not too small. This is the sweet spot in the pro AV industry when it comes to trade show events.
Register today at e4experience.com.